Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, beauty often comes hand in hand with terror.
As we gaze into the depths of space, we encounter worlds that defy imagination and challenge our very understanding of what it means to be terrifying. Our universe is full of wonders, but it's also hiding some seriously spooky secrets. Get ready to explore the scariest planets out there. Welcome to our exploration of the most terrifying corners of the universe. In this video, we'll enlist the top scariest planets where the boundaries of fear are pushed to their limits. In this video, we'll talk about the chilling realm of 6 exoplanets, each with its own captivating and terrifying attributes and extreme environments. But before we continue, if you are fascinated by the incredible discoveries and spectacular wonders of the universe, be sure to subscribe to The Rocket to continue exploring the cosmos with us. Let's explore the 10 most terrifying planets ever discovered. J1407b. J1407b, a distant exoplanet, captivates astronomers with its awe-inspiring ring system, stretching over a staggering 110 million miles, surpassing even the vastness of Saturn's rings by 20%. This gas giant's rings, composed of rock and ice, are a formidable 200 times wider than Saturn's rings, hinting at a history marked by cataclysmic events, possibly the destruction of its own satellites, due to the immense gravitational forces. If J1407b were to inhabit our solar system, its majestic rings would dominate our skies, replacing clouds with their mesmerizing presence. The planet's classification is a subject of debate among scientists, with some proposing it as a giant gas, while others lean towards the idea of an incomplete protostar. Its unique orbit, revolving around its host star rather than a neutral center of gravity, supports the latter theory. Despite its imposing appearance, J1407b's ring system, though expansive, harbors relatively low mass comparable to that of Earth. This enigmatic world may have experienced significant events such as collisions with massive satellites, leaving discernible gaps in its rings. Scientists employ transit observation methods, utilizing these gaps to glean insights into J1407b's composition and characteristics. TRES-2b. Avoiding the depths of space darkness, and steer clear of TRES-2b, a colossal gas giant similar to Jupiter, but shrouded in an unsettling cloak of obsidian. This enigmatic world, nestled within the Draco constellation, some 750 light-years from Earth, defies conventional understanding with its strange ability to reflect less than 1% of the light it receives. And get this, even though it's scorching hot, with temperatures soaring over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, there are no clouds to be found. Scientists think it's because the air found it is filled with stuff like sodium, potassium, or titanium oxide, gobbling up all the light. But here's the kicker. Despite being super dark, TRES-2b actually glows faintly red in some spots, kind of like a burning ember or a hot stove coil. The prevailing hypothesis posits that its atmosphere, saturated with vaporized sodium, potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide, contributes to its light-absorbing properties. Scientists are pondering the presence of unknown chemical constituents. 55 Cancri e. The next terrifying planet is 55 Cancri e, a celestial body dubbed the Diamond Planet due to its carbon-rich composition. Yet despite the allure of precious gems, this world presents a forbidding landscape unsuitable for human exploration. Its atmosphere, saturated with carbon and lacking in oxygen, offers no respite for weary travelers. Instead, the planet's surface is engulfed in molten lava, casting a hellish glow across its barren expanse. Orbiting perilously close to its parent star, 55 Cancri E experiences searing temperatures reaching a scorching 2,922 Kelvin. Here, the very air seems to ooze with heat, making even the thought of oxygen a distant luxury. Discovered in 2004, this infernal realm completes its orbit in a mere 0.7 days, leaving little escape from its relentless embrace. Unless one possesses an unyielding spirit and an affinity for extreme environments, the allure of diamond mining must remain grounded firmly upon the familiar shores of Earth. Gliese 436b. Gliese 436b, a Neptune-sized exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf Gliese 436, was a significant discovery in 2007 as the first hot Neptune confirmed. Despite being among the smallest known transiting planets at the time, subsequent discoveries, notably from the Kepler mission starting around 2010, revealed even smaller exoplanets. This planet challenges the notion of judging a planet solely by its appearance, akin to Neptune's deceptive exterior concealing a mysterious interior. Recent observations with NASA's Hubble Space Telescope unveiled a remarkable phenomenon: an immense hydrogen cloud escaping from Gliese 436b due to extreme irradiation from its parent star. Dubbed the Behemoth by researchers, this phenomenon sheds light on the planet's atmospheric evaporation, possibly accelerated by its parent star's past activity. Gliese 436b's close proximity to its star, completing an orbit in just 2.6 Earth days, classifies it as a warm Neptune. This discovery suggests a connection between warm Neptunes and hot super-Earths, potentially remnants of planets that had lost their gaseous atmospheres to evaporation. The use of ultraviolet observations from Hubble opens new avenues for exoplanet studies, promising insights into atmospheric dynamics and even the possibility of identifying evaporating oceans on Earth-like worlds. Kepler 78b. Kepler 78b emerges as a remarkable discovery among exoplanets, boasting a striking resemblance to Earth in mass and size, and possibly harboring an iron core akin to our home planet. However, any notions of it being a hospitable destination for trick-or-treating are swiftly dashed by its infernal conditions. Despite its Earth-like dimensions, Kepler 78b is engulfed in searing heat, with temperatures soaring to a blistering 2,330 Kelvin, and vast expanses of lava dominating its landscape. The perplexing world defies conventional understanding, leaving scientists puzzled as to how such planets with their extreme conditions come into existence. The lack of a known planetary evolution model capable of explaining Kepler 78b's existence adds to the enigma surrounding it. Gliese 1214b. At first glance, Gliese 1214b might seem like an intriguing destination, a super-Earth-sized planet teeming with water. But don't let appearances deceive you. This world harbors a nightmarish reality. Imagine the sensation of being slowly roasted alive, for that's precisely what awaits any unfortunate soul setting foot on this infernal planet. Despite its aquatic abundance, the water here is anything but refreshing. It exists under crushing pressure and scorching temperatures, rendering it undrinkable and inhospitable. Gliese 1214b, orbiting a red dwarf star just 40 light-years from Earth, is a water world enveloped in a thick, oppressive atmosphere primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its surface temperatures soar to a blistering 446 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining a hellish environment where water exists in forms ranging from steam to high-pressure ice or searing hot fluids. Though located within the inhabitable zone of GJ1214 and boasting oxygen and water, any notion of life as we know it is a mere fantasy amidst the hostile conditions of this enigmatic exoplanet. Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB. Next comes Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, A planet with a name so complex that NASA effectively refers to it as Hoth, a nod to its frigid conditions reminiscent of the icy planet from Star Wars. This enigmatic world completes a full orbit around its parent star every 10 Earth years, situated at a distance of roughly 300 to 600 million kilometers. Despite its proximity to its sun, its composition remains shrouded in mystery, leaving scientists to speculate whether it's a gas giant or a rocky terrain. What we do know is chilling. Hoth weighs approximately 5 times more than Earth and boasts bone-chilling temperatures hovering around minus 220 degrees Celsius. This extreme cold, caused by its vast distance from the star, brings it dangerously close to absolute zero, where even the act of breathing will result in instant death as lungs collapse. PSR B1620-26b. PSR B1620-26b, colloquially known as Methuselah, holds the distinction of being one of the oldest known exoplanets in the universe. This gas giant, boasting a mass approximately 2.5 times that of Jupiter, traces a leisurely path around its parent star, completing a single orbit in a staggering 95 Earth years. Situated at a distance of approximately 23.0 astronomical units from its star, this ancient planet was first discovered in 2003. Its orbit around a pulsar and a white dwarf rather than a conventional star adds to its uniqueness. Methuselah's existence challenges conventional notions of planetary longevity and offers a glimpse into the early stages of planetary formation in the universe. COROT-7b. COROT-7b is indeed a terrifying planet, captivating astronomers with its extreme and inhospitable conditions. As one of the first exoplanets discovered, its significance in expanding our understanding of distant worlds cannot be overstated. This eerie world, situated approximately 489 light-years away from Earth, orbits perilously close to its parent star, completing a single orbit in a mere 20 hours. Its proximity to the star results in seeking surface temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock. Adding to its inhospitable nature, COROT-7b likely lacks a protective atmosphere, leaving its surface vulnerable to intense radiation from its star. The relentless bombardment of solar winds may strip away any remnants of atmosphere, leaving behind a barren and desolate landscape. Despite its terrifying conditions, COROT-7b serves as a haunting reminder of the diverse and extreme environments that exist beyond our solar system, challenging our notions of planetary habitability and sparking further exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos. PSR J1719-1438b. PSR J1719-1438b. A gas giant exoplanet orbits a K-type star. It was discovered in 2011 and is approximately 1.2 times the mass of Jupiter. Remarkably, it completes one orbit around its star in just 0.1 days, bringing it incredibly close to a mere 0.0044 astronomical units from its host star. The planet's rapid orbit, taking a mere 2 hours, occurs at a distance smaller than the radius of the Sun. Despite its small distance, PSR J1719-1438b is shrouded in mystery, with its surface seemingly bound by eternal cold due to its star's minimal thermal energy emission. With a mass approximately 330 times that of Earth and a radius 4 times larger, gravity on its surface is a staggering 20 times stronger than on Earth. Estimates suggest an average density of 23 grams per cubic centimeter, hinting at a composition primarily of crystallized carbon under immense pressure. Thank you for exploring the top 10 terrifying planets with us. I hope you liked this video. Now we'd like to hear from you. What aspect of these dark worlds do you find most terrifying? And why? Tell us in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more captivating content like this one.